Hey everyone, whether you're here before you take your MSF or right after buying your first bike, in the next 4 minutes I'll be going over all the controls, how to work the clutch, and lastly, how to ride home. Now, first, we got the clutch. Easy grab and release to operate, this disengages power to the rear wheel when engaged. Next is the blinkers. We go right, left to go left, and press the center to disengage. Now, we also have the horn. Feel free to press that down and try to get people's attention, but you know how they are. Moving to the center, we have a key slot, so put the key in and turn it clockwise. And some lights should turn on. If they did turn on, that means power is being supplied to the entirety of the bike. Moving to the other side, there's the kill switch. Easy engine on and off. Next up, hazards. Slide to turn them on and off. You probably won't be using them often. Now, the throttle. Rotate towards you to increase the RPMs and go faster. Now, if you're going fast, you need to stop. So the front brake, engage and disengage, accounts for about 70% of your total stopping power, so one finger should be enough. Importantly, the shifters. Motorcycle have a very unique gearbox. Up is increase a gear, down is lower a gear, and then there's neutral. You need to first be in first gear, so hit it down a couple of times, and then go up only a little bit. To increase multiple gears, just keep hitting the shifter up and down to lower your gears. Neutral isn't an issue when you're on the road. Next up, it's the rear brake. Push it down to engage, and it accounts for the other 30% of your stopping power, along with engine braking. To get on a motorcycle, it's pretty easy. I put one foot on the peg and then swing my other foot over. And now, get ready to ride. Well, not really. You need to first turn the bike on by pulling in the clutch, making sure that you are in first gear by hitting that shifter down, and then once you find the kill switch and make sure the ignition is turned on, hold it down. Hold it down until the engine fully starts up. And there you go. Bike is now on. For clutch work, you want to very slowly ease out the clutch until you start going and then close it right back. Open, close. And I recommend doing that for probably close to 5 minutes. It's really up to you though. But now it's time to ride off into the sunset. While still in first gear, bring your RPMs to 3 to 4,000 and slowly ease out the clutch. Just a little ease, ease, ease. And congratulations! The wind is now in your face and you're going in a straight line. Before I tell you how to turn, I do recommend checking out the description for a course you can take in person with me and 5 free exercises to make you a better rider. Now, to turn, pretty simple. You just want to shift your buttocks to the side you're turning and lightly pull that side of the handlebars towards you and very slightly down. The bike should do most of the work for you if you shifted your weight properly. Now that we've got turning down, next up is shifting. Absolutely crucial. To do this, what you want to do is roll off the throttle, pull in the clutch, shift, ease the clutch, and roll right back onto the throttle. It really is simple once you do it enough. Downshifting is the exact same. Throttle, clutch, shifter, clutch again, and re-roll on the throttle. You are now capable of riding a motorcycle. I recommend the MSF, but hey, if that's not your style, I do have an in-person course and other training in the description below. Ride safe.